Envelopes.
Good morning. For this project, we have two participating bidders, HSO Property Development and Construction Corporation and Victoriano Silim Construction Corporation.
Okay, complete. DPWH, you may distribute the envelopes to the members and then check whether the envelopes are properly marked and properly sealed, and then open the technical envelope first. Kita akan buka pengaman. Kita buka pengaman. Iyan sa kinang pengaman magkulit lang. Wala ko tayo lagi. Dito sa may responsibility anak ka. Multi-purpose. Multi-purpose sa ulit tao. Pwede if lang in the resort there'll be hold up. Palaluan yun. Palaluan. Question just yeah, kasi may mga client sa repair, sa repeating, o track. It depends. Ko sa inana ko no, sa inana na wala. Yes, of course.
Mang ginamos? Ha?
Head back Secretariat to please announce the result of the electronic eligibility check.
Okay, this time we'll now announce the result of the electronic eligibility check for contract ID 25K00436. So we have two participating bidders, Victoriano Silim Construction Corporation and HSO Property Development and Construction Corporation. Okay, two of the participating bidders passed the electronic eligibility check.
Okay, technical requirements.
For the result of the preliminary examination of the technical component of the bids, all bidders passed.
Okay, thank you, Tornimel. So, TWJ, you may now open the financial envelope for contract ID number 25K00436. Iniaw. Epa, kasi nag-evaluate na. Ano, kita nag-evaluate ang ilang ba? Okay, we will now read the results. Contract ID number 25K00436. Construction completion of Multi-Purpose Building, ASENSO, located at Sinacaban, Misamis Occidental. with an ABC of 99 million pesos. We have two bidders, all passed the preliminary examination of the technical component of the bids. HSO Property Development and Construction Corporation, submitting a bid securing declaration for bid security sufficient. Bid of HSO Property Development and Construction Corporation is 97,515,000 pesos only. Repeat, 97,515,000 pesos only. Victoriano C. Lim Construction Corporation, submitting a bid securing declaration for bid security sufficient. Bid of Victoriano C. Lim Construction is 98,009,999 pesos and 84 centavos. Repeat, 98,009,999 pesos and 84 centavos. Bids posted as read, subject to bid evaluation and post-qualification. Okay, next will be the pre-bid conference for one civil works project under contract ID number 25K00444. We will now request the resource person from the Planning and Design Division to please start the discussion.
Good morning, everyone. On behalf of the Highways Design Section of the Planning and Design Division, I am Engineer Ingito. I'll be presenting one project in this pre-bid conference under FY 2025 Regular Infrastructure Program. For the contract ID 25K00444 with the project name Sayre Highway K1451 plus 420 to K1451 plus 560, K1451 plus 700 to K1451 plus 760, K1452 plus 360 to K1452 plus 400. Project location is Bukidnon with a scope of work CW1, preventive maintenance of road asphalt overlay. Source of fund is FY 2025 GAA with appropriation amount of 91 million pesos and an ABC amount of 87,815,000 pesos. Contract duration is 180 calendar days and the ECC status is still ongoing in compliance with Department Order 159 Series of 2022 with the subject implementation of the Social and Environmental Management System Operations Manual. Shown is a site development plan, the typical roadway section, and the quarry source map. For the wheel of quantities, these are the items involved for the asphalt overlay. Part A, facilities for the engineer. Part B, other general requirements. Part C, earthwork. Part D, sub-base and base course. Part E, surface courses. Part G, drainage and slope protection. And Part H, miscellaneous structures. For the minimum equipment requirement, the project will be needing a total of 39 equipment. And for the license classification, it should be at least medium B. Shown is Department Order 11, Series of 2017, with the inclusion of the minimum material testing equipment in the technical component of the bid. Attached are the list of minimum material testing equipment to be proposed for small, medium, and large contractors. Medium and large contractors. Shown is the list of contractors samples or contract availability supported by certifications of availability. Shown is Department Order 80 Series of 2016 with the subject use of mandatory use of joint sealer for machine for sealing joints on concrete pavement. For the manpower requirement, the project will be needing a total of 23 equipment. And please be informed that for the status of submittals, PAO ABC and DUPA, as well as DD plan and the BUQ were already approved. Shown is the approved cover page of the project.
Okay, questions? Okay, next project for goods. Contract ID number 24 JK00050. Re-ITB. Wala. Goods. Di, sa mga imo? O sa nga, pre-proc, pre-bid? Di, pre-bid. 24 JK0050 Re-ITB purchase of unmanned aerial vehicle with LIDAR attachment. And the other one is contract ID 25 JK0016 purchase of parts and accessories for maintenance and upgrading of the inertial profilometer unit, quality assurance and methodology division. O na lang. Inyo ni Wald ang unmanned.
Good morning, everyone. I am Engineer Trina Faith Sasahik, and I'm going to present the contract ID number 25GK00016, purchase of parts and accessories for maintenance and upgrading of the inertial profiler or the profilometer unit. The approved budget of this contract is 5,391,418 pesos and 67 cents. And for the delivery period of 60 calendar days. This is the approved purchase request. And for a visible of the specification, one set of software upgrade of DCC to DDC with the specification with an inclusion of a brand new rugged shock resistant laptop with the following specification. With 1-year warranty on factory defects, with installation and training on basic operation, maintenance, troubleshooting, and data processing, including of meals, training materials, and other logistical requirements. One set of Dynatest 1101472 with the following specification. One set of Dynatest 100048 RSP. And one set of data processing unit. All comes with 1-year warranty on factory defects with installation and training on the basic operation, maintenance, troubleshooting, and data processing, inclusive of meals, training, materials, and other logistical requirements. This is the certification from the Bureau of Quality and Safety that that the stated specifications are all complying to the required specifications. Thank you.
Okay, questions? Okay, next. Nana, Wald. Wala pa. Okay, for these projects, the receipt of bids will be on September 1, 2025 until 10 a.m. Opening of bid September 1, 2025, 10 a.m. at 5th floor bidding room, DPWH Regional Office 10, multi-story building, Bulwa, Cagayan de Oro City. The prospective bidders are reminded to update their field job certificate of platinum registration along with the other required documents in order to be eligible. For more information, you may visit the procurement office at DPWH Regional Office 10 at Bulwa, Cagayan de Oro City. Muna siya, si Gino Yapon. Okay, next, contract ID number 24GK00050, Ray ITB. One an account sa denta. Napahaya tayo dito. Back control mo yun yan.
Good morning, everyone. I am Engineer Rubier Cuevas, and for this pre-bid conference, I'll be presenting one goods project with contract ID 24GK 00050. Re-ITB with the project with the title Purchase of Unmanned Aerial Vehicle or UAV with LIDAR attachment to expedite the collection of survey data along major and principal rivers within the Region 10, which is critical in the preparation of design analysis for flood control structures, planning and design division, with an ABC of 5,170,000 pesos only. We are requesting a purchase of 1 unit of unmanned aerial vehicle or UAV with LIDAR attachment, with the description of UAV drone or drone which is made to carry a LIDAR or light detection and ranging sensor. The LIDAR sensor uses laser pulses to compute distances, take precise measurements, and measure ranges. It is used to collect data that can be used to make detailed 3D models for a variety of applications. So for the main equipment components as well as its specification, we have for the aerial drone, multi-rotor or quadcopter or hexacopter or octocopter, small UAV as defined by the CAAP or which is less than 7 kilograms in weight, real-time kinematic or RTK positioning capable, full automatic and manual control capable, with obstruction detection and automatic home function, with the minimum speed of 60 kph. Flight endurance is 50 minutes minimum. Wind tolerance or endurance is a minimum of 50 kph and environmental protection with a minimum of IP45. For the controller, screen size is 5.5 inches minimum. For the screen resolution, we have a minimum of 1920 by 1080 pixel. For the range, we have a minimum of 8 kilometers and battery life of 2 hours minimum. For the LiDAR attachment, we have minimum number of returns is 5. For the range is 300 meters at 80% reflectivity. For the accuracy is 15 millimeters or more accurate. The lower the value, the more accurate. For the point rate, we have 100,000 points per second, which is the minimum. For the laser safety, we have class 1. Environment protection is IP 1P54. And for the operating temperature is in between -10 to 40 degrees Celsius. For the field and data processing laptop, we have for operating system, which is Windows 11 or its latest edition. For the processor, we have 11th Gen Intel Core i7, AMD Ryzen or equivalent. For the RAM, we have minimum of 16 gigabytes. Video card is RTX 3060 or better. For the display is 15.6 inches and storage of 1 terabyte SSD. For the post-processing software, license attached, point cloud generation, mesh generation, and export to AutoCAD or any equivalent software. For the accessories, we have GNSS base control with manufacturer's standard spare parts package and with 4 extra batteries and multi-slot battery charger. Also with battery safety bag and with 1-piece 64 gigabyte flash drive. Also with 1 unit 1 terabyte external hard drive and with user's manual. For the other requirements, with exclusive or authorized distributor's certificate from the manufacturer for the drone, with exclusive or authorized distributor's certificate from the manufacturer for the GNSS base control, with exclusive distributor's certificate from the manufacturer for the LIDAR attachment, with certificate of service support in the Philippines stating the location of service center for the drone, GNSS, and base control. Also with 5 years experience in supplying survey equipment, with 1-year warranty on factory defects for the drone, GNSS base control, and LIDAR sensor. With aerial safety and emergency procedure training, with field and post-processing training. Also, supplier has personnel or trainer with CAAP or CAAP RPA controller certification, with assistance on CAAP RPA controllers certification of at least 5 personnel of the procuring office, with actual demo of equipment prior to award. Also, the specifications must be indicated or reflected in the original brochure, manual or technical papers that can be downloaded or reflected in the website of the manufacturer. Accessories shall be noted complied on the bidding documents and shall be checked for compliance upon delivery. Other requirements and suppliers' qualifications shall be supported by certificates or documents supporting its compliance, and all technical specifications issued prior to the date of this issuance are considered invalid or obsolete. The delivery period for this request is 30 calendar days, and provision and conditions for this is the supplier must include a comprehensive training program for at least 5 budgetary personnel to be trained and accredited as Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines certified drone pilots. All expenses related to this training, certification, and accreditation must be included in the cost proposal. That would be all. Thank you.
Okay, questions? Okay, for this project, the dropping of bids will be on September 1, 2025, 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. and opening of bids will follow thereafter 10 a.m. September 1, 2025. This ends the pre-bid conference. Any motion to adjourn this meeting? As moved and seconded, this pre-bid